hey, these people of opposition, Niyahlupha, man, they are last time. I'm like, this man was in opposition last year. So I want to say to the SG, let them talk. It's really cold outside. Humonati inside. The GNU is working. We are happy. President Ramaphosa is leading us. And the president that I'm calling now, you know, President, I must tell you something that I never told you to your face. When we criticized you, we went past the boundaries of respectable criticism. We at times became very personal with you. We called you names, we accused you of stuff, but you looked past what we all called you, and you look at what is good for South Africa. You are a leader with leaders. And those ones that think I can betray you, you have hired me in spite of people saying you can never make McKenzie a minister. Today, you can call me bandit, but you must say honorable. Honorable. You can call me names. Markikeni. Can we all rise to our feet and welcome Cyril the Drew Matamela. Hauna o tshwana le wena. Ramaphosa.
Ramaphosa re urata kaofela re tsamaya le wena ukulela kamnandi